Should you go with the $59 fantasy bundle or the $299 AI sleep generator on DJ Fantasy? Here's how to decide in under 2 minutes. The fantasy bundle is all about control. You get access to tools that let you filter by league, team, or stat type to uncover profitable plays. It's perfect if you enjoy strategy and making your own decisions. The AI sleep generator is for players who prefer speed and simplicity. Instead of analyzing lines yourself, it automatically builds optimized sleeps with the highest profit margins. You just tail them with a click. So the big difference? The fantasy bundle gives you the tools. The AI sleep generator gives you the answers. If you're a hands-on player, choose the fantasy bundle. If you want an automated edge, choose the AI sleep generator. Use my link in the description to join DJ Fantasy today.